Hey everyone, welcome back to Tips with Alam. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you a super simple trick how to search within a specific website using Google. Whether you are trying to find something on a massive website or just looking for a specific topic, this tip will save you tons of time. So let's dive into it. Alright, first open up Google on your browser. And now let's say you want to find something specific on a particular website. For example, you're looking for, let's say, an article on AML on a website as big as PwC because it's a big consulting firm. So what you'll do is you will you'll type this into search bar. You'll first type site and colon, and then you'll enter the name of the website. pwc.com. This is just for the demonstration. Space, and now you'll type the keyword that you're looking for within this website. So I'll type AML and hit enter. Now you can see Google has refined all this search to only PwC. So all the results I'll get will be from this website only, and it will try to match this keyword, which is AML, which stands for anti-money laundering. So you can find articles on only this websites. So that's how it works, and you can do this on any website. This works on any website. You can use it for any keyword. So I'll do it for Amazon. Just type amazon.com space, let's say microphone. I'll hit enter, and you can see it will start finding all the articles and all the products that are listed as microphones on amazon.com. So that's how you enter a site, and then you enter a microphone. So you can also combine this with other search operators to make your search more even more powerful. So let's say if I enter this in quotations, this will try to search for the exact match. So let's say you're searching in a big website for a specific keyword, it will be helpful. So that's it. A super simple yet very powerful way to search within website using Google. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.